I'm home. रॉस और रेचल ब्रेक में थे कि नहीं थे? गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू संडे व्लॉग. Alright, bed is done, phone is charging, life is good. Hey, welcome to my washroom. Yes, my toothbrush is black because I've been using some charcoal to brush my teeth. Do you really want to see me brush my teeth? Come on. Okay, brushed my teeth. Look at this Colgate smile. And it's really nice. Time to wash my face. For that, in this video, I'm going to feature Mamaearth Tea Tree Face Wash. So now Mamaearth makes paraben-free and sulfate-free products, and I've tried so many of their products, and they are really amazing with their products, guys. I also have their Upton Face Wash. So this is Mamaearth Upton Face Wash with turmeric and saffron for tan removal. I think this is going to be perfect for summers, but I'm going to try in this video and review Mamaearth Tea Tree Face Wash with tea tree and neem for acne and pimples. And tea tree is one of my favorite ingredient, you all know that. Okay, so wait, I'm going to take this much of this product. This one has a very liquidy gel consistency, and apply this all over my face, and I'm going to cleanse my face with this. Now you know my love for tea tree oil in general. This is one of the strongest antifungal, antibacterial oil. This can help in reducing acne causing bacteria, and this is what the product is claiming, to reduce acne and pimples. And also neem is filled with vitamin E. This can help in nourishing your skin without drying out your skin. And also I've tried so many tea tree face washes. If I will compare those face washes with this face wash, this is a very mild tea tree face wash. Face cleansing is done. Let me wash my face. I'm back. Always use a separate towel to pat dry your skin. जो अपनी बॉडी और बालों के लिए यूज करते हो वो टाल बिल्कुल यूज मत करना अपने फेस में, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. इट्स अ वेरी माइल्ड फेस वॉश. इट विल जेंटली क्लींस योर फेस एंड इट डजंट फील केमिकली एट ऑल. इट विल नॉट ड्राई आउट योर स्किन. नाउ आई विल गो मॉइस्चराइज माई फेस. फॉर दैट आई विल यूज माई सनस्क्रीन, ऑल्सो अप्लाई लिपस्टिक, एंड देन आई विल सी यू फॉर ब्रंच. Alrighty guys, now we are going to have brunch together. Let me walk you through my brunch. Talk you through my brunch or walk you through my brunch? Talk you through my brunch. So I'm having homemade chila. This was pre-prepared. I made myself some anda with some salad and chola. That's my brunch, you guys. So मैंने नाक पे ना पोर क्लिनजिंग स्ट्रिप्स लगाए हैं, और दिस इज बाय टी ट्री डीप क्लिनजिंग स्ट्रिप्स. इट्स अ रियली गुड स्ट्रिप. आई हैव यूज्ड दिस ट्वाइस बिफोर. नॉट इवन किडिंग, आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ टी ट्री. इट हैज रियली हेल्प्ड माय स्किन अ लॉट. टी ट्री हो गया, विटामिन सी हो गया, विटामिन ई हो गया. एनीवेज, आई नीड टू कीप दिस ऑन फॉर 15 minutes. I think 15 minutes are gone. Let me just gross you out now. Ow. That's so gross, but such satisfaction to watch this. Alright, so I applied toner all over my face to calm down my face, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm working today. हर संडे में काम नहीं करती हूँ, पर इस संडे मुझे काम है. I need to shoot intro and outro for a video, and उसी वीडियो को मुझे रात को एडिट करना है, क्योंकि कल मुझे एक वीडियो पोस्ट करना है. It's a bralette styling video, and I also need to edit Sarojini haul video. I also need to edit this video. So many videos are lined up to edit, and I need to finish the shooting part as early as possible, because I'm meeting my friend Supriya after so long, after 3 years maybe, and she's one of my best friend, closest friend from college, and I hardly get to meet her. She lives in Pune, her life is there, and she has some off time. She's here for a day, so I'm thinking to just get all my work done and meet her, and that's my priority for today. But उसके साथ काम भी ज़रूरी है, काम चलना चाहिए. So yes, I will put on some makeup now, and I'll talk to you soon. Alrighty guys, quick makeup is done. I did this makeup in 15 minutes. I'm super proud of myself. I also highlighted my inner corners today. Although I feel like I'm forgetting something. Wait. And we're done. Behind the scene clothings. I'll see you after the shoot. Alrighty guys, the thumbnail part is done, and now we will clear all this mess. So the room looks pretty clean, the bed is clean, that's a good thing. And I also need to put those shoes away, like they don't belong here. After that I will remove this makeup because too much makeup is going on all over my face, and do some touch up on my eyes and lips and meet my friend. इतना प्रेम. Theo, stop following her. Theo नहीं देगी वो खाने के लिए. Hey सुप्रिया. कितने टाइम बाद मिल रहे हैं हम लोग? After 3 years.
नहीं, more than 3 years.
More than 3 years. Supriya is having her tea and homemade gujia and mixture and don't eat this.
I'm on diet.
I'm on diet. जा रही है सुप्रिया. Follow her, follow her. Aww. कभी हमें भी इतना प्यार दिखाओ, please, please.
He loves me.
Okay guys, I'm inside the cab. Supriya booked the cab and she's here. Where are we going? We are going to Bhopal Baking and Co. That's like my second home after Bake and Shake. So we are going there. This place is so cute. क्यों मना कर दिया तुमने केक खाने से?
Because you're on diet.
I'm on diet. Are you on diet? No, you're not on diet. We are on diet. We are on break. What do you think? Ross और Rachel break में थे कि नहीं थे? I think they were on break.
Yes.
They were on break. It's Americano and Supriya is having
Cappuccino.
chips के साथ sauce.
ये मेरा स्पेशल टैलेंट है.
स्पेशल टैलेंटेड. बाय द वे सुप्रिया, तुझे पता है आई एम अ सॉस पर्सन. मुझे सॉस बहुत पसंद है.
मुझे भी.
मैं सबके साथ खा सकती हूँ.
मैं चिप्स के साथ सॉस खा रही हूँ ना, क्योंकि ये बहुत टेस्टी है.
So yes, it was amazing guys. I met her after so long and I missed her so much.
I love you.
I love you too. अभी हम घर जाएंगे, अलग अलग जाएंगे ना अभी हम. ये लीजिए मैम.
Thank you so much.
बाय सुप्रिया.
Bye.
Hey guys, I'm home and I had such a great time. Now I need to edit a video that I need to post tomorrow. For that I need to get comfy, changed. I will remove this makeup now. And removed my makeup. We need more light. Now we are talking. And now I'm going to use Mamaearth face wash. Done with washing my face and taking a washroom ke shots. I will apply vitamin C all over my face, some lip balm, all my lips, and then I will start editing. I need to edit so much. Okay guys, so I'm here at my working table and I will start editing my videos now. So I have applied my vitamin C serum all over my face. Uske baad my night cream, my under eye cream. I'm sorted. I'm done. Like I'm wearing this loose t-shirt. So it's currently, where's my phone? Wait. So it's currently 8:30. Okay, I will edit my video until 12. So this was my Sunday vlog for you all. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. You know, there were some behind the scenes. I also met my best buddy after ages. I also reviewed a product for you. So yes, for more of such videos in future, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will never miss a video from my side, my channel. Like, comment, share this video with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Bye. I should start editing. Bye.